Very Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, respected Mr. Bhusan Tirki, MLA of Gumla, respected Reverend Director of the school, Reverend Father Ramu Vincent Minj, respected Principal of the school, Reverend Father Nober Minj, respected Sister Deepa, Vice Principal of English Section, respected Sister Archana, Vice Principal of Primary Section, all adorable fathers, sisters, teachers, parents, and my beloved friends. How are you? Meeting after a long time, almost about 3 months. So friends, I am standing here just because of my teachers, their efforts, what they have guided me, what they taught me, and what I learned from them. The journey of last 1 year, it was amazing. There were ups and downs, something I learned, and I got good friends. Now, today I have got chance to share my experience. So, as in the beginning of program, anchors they were saying, तुम आगे बढ़ोगे तो तुम्हें खींचने के लिए लोग हैं ना, तुम अपनी पहचान बनाओगे तो भीड़ है ना. So that is the thing what you have to learn. In our class, teachers used to say, तुम भीड़ का कारण बनो ना कि भीड़ का हिस्सा. Now, my teachers, I want to say their names what they have taught me. Miss Aarti and Miss Anupama. They were excellent in Hindi and Nagpuri, yet I felt the toughest subject because of the spelling mistakes and all. After that, in science, Sir Rakesh, Sir Ravi and Miss Poonam. Now, as you know that my highest marks I got in science and SST only because of their efforts. Science, you know that it is one of the tough subjects only because of physics. Am I correct? Further, in SST, Sir Arvind, he was excellent. Means while he will teach in class, then paragraph wise he will give explanation. If you have any doubt, then you can directly clarify to him. And if you don't get chance to negotiate with him in class, then you can privately meet him. There is no like anything that afterwards you come, nothing. But the time you will ask, simultaneously you will get the answer. Paragraph wise he used to give questions also, allow us to mark the important multiple choice, because you know in JAC board, multiple choice question answers, it gives a lots of importance. Around 200 marks, 40 for each subject, you will get from OMR. Further in English, Sister Deepa and Father Ranjit, they taught English in a way that if you don't read text also, directly you can answer the questions. In grammar, Father Ranjit, he was excellent. He used to give us classworks. He used to have come and make on board, let's see how much you know, like that or all. Further, the toughest subject of every student's life, maths. Yet those who take maths in science, for them it is not. So in maths, Sir Lalit and Sir Rakesh, they gave explanations. We had nice conversation with them. Now, the journey which I traveled in last 1 year, something good was there, something bad was there. First of all, let's say about the bad thing. So last 1 year, Father Principal, now he is the director of the school, he was not with us. We missed him very much. Now he is back. This is something good for us. So friends, in students' life, you need not always focus on studies. You should also take part in extra curricular activities like dancing, parade, speech, anchoring and all. If you will say that सिर्फ पढ़ने वाले बच्चे ही ये करेंगे, then it is not for them. Each and every student has the capacity to do. Some may be good in painting, some may be good in dancing. भगवान सबों को एक जैसा गुण नहीं दिया. भले दिमाग सबके पास है, लेकिन टैलेंट गिने चुने के पास है. सबों को अपने अंदर के टैलेंट को पहचानना है, वो किस चीज़ में अच्छे हैं उसी में अग्रसर होना है. So friends, now say about the board paper. So this time in boards, the top paper which came, it was of science. Friends, some of the tips which I will tell that you should also adopt while writing any exam. First of all, go through the paper at least once, and in language paper, don't attempt the passage questions first. Attempt the textual questions what you have read. At last, when you complete that textual answers, after that you proceed to your passage answers, because it takes time to understand, and while you will get question paper you will be nervous also. So to prevent that, first you should start your answers from the back, so that your handwriting also gets good, and then you come to the first page. This thing I also have tried, and the result is in front of you. Friends, in the assembly time, Father Principal used to say many motivational quotes, which motivated me a lot. Some of them which I want to share with you, that is, habits die hard, in a positive sense. If you have good habits like getting up early in the morning, then getting blessings of your parents, praying to God in the morning as well as evening, so that are the good habits that you need to develop from now. Many of you have excuses that अगर हम उठ के प्रार्थना करेंगे, अगर खाना बनाएंगे या घर का काम करेंगे तो पढ़ेंगे कब. माता पिता से सभी की शिकायत होती है, तो अगर कोई घर में काम बोले तो उसको करके तुरंत अपने पढ़ाई में लग जाना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि माता पिता से आर्ग्यू करने लगे, उसमें उल्टा टाइम वेस्ट होगा और घर में अपना इमेज भी खराब होगा. सेकेंडली, which I think that is future today. Can anyone tell which company or brand uses this statement? Future today, this is a statement used by which brand or company? No one can tell. This is the statement used by Dalmia Cement. You all know this name, na? So Dalmia Cement uses this name, and their meaning is that घर अपने के लिए कौन बनाता है, घर अपनों के लिए बनाते हैं. So future today, what you do today decides your future. आज आप जो करोगे उससे आपका कल तय होगा. If you work hard today, that your tomorrow will be relaxing. Now, for example, you knew that UPSC aspirants, how they qualify the exam. You know that is the toughest exam. So, for example, here in Gumla we have Mr. Sushant Gaurav. So now you get respect also, you get honor also, you get many things. Your motive should be only study, especially those who are now in 10th and my elder brothers and sisters from 12th. Friends, there is no shortcut for hard work. मेहनत करने के लिए कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है. You have to travel through the path. Dr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan, father of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, he has written in Hindi poem, that is, पूर्व चलने के बटोही बाट की पहचान कर ले. The path which you are going to travel, you should know about that and you have to work on that. Friends, Here in our school building it is written, these four lines, it is given by Mr. Robert Frost, an English poet. He has written, woods are lovely, dark and deep. Means your life it is not a bed of roses. You will have to face problems, and who will face problem and survive will sustain in future. And miles to go before I sleep means you have to get to your target, and until you die you have to walk. मानव जीवन वैसे भी संघर्ष से भरा है, किसी को परिवार की दिक्कत, किसी को पैसे की दिक्कत, लेकिन अंततः सबकी मंजिल एक है, वो है मृत्यु. दैट इज द ट्रूथ, नन कैन गेट रीड ऑफ दैट. We say na, the thing which is living today, it has to die. So friends, at last I want to thank my teachers. Because of them now I am here, now I got the opportunity to speak in front of you, and I also met Mr. Bhushan Tirki. So friends, now it is an example for you, so that when your turn comes, you will also be here, and you will also be speaking, and at that time I will be sitting in the audience. So friends, thank you.